Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to tell you about the articles. What are articles and how they work? First of all, I will tell you that there are three articles which are a, an and the. They are used before noun. How we use these articles? There is a difference between the a and a and also the and the. First of all, I will tell you that how we use a and an. A and an stands for one. We have learned from our childhood that we use and before vowel sounds, vowel word letters which are a, e, I, o, u. We use only before the sound of these letters. It means that we will use and when there is a sound of vowel before we use an. Then if there is a consonant sound, we use a. There is a difference between the use of a or an. And are used with singular thing, person, non-specific things or person, countable things. A is used with consonant sound and an is used with vowel sound. Here are few examples of a and an. First of all, I will tell you about the example of an. An apple, an ox, an eye. Here are a few examples of consonant sounds. A big apple, a cat, a table, a school. Hope so it is clear now. If the starting sound is not vowel sound, we use a. And if there is a starting sound of vowels, we use an. Now let's come to the and the. The and the are also like a and an. When we use the sound, there is a sound of consonant. Then we use the before the word. If there is a sound of vowel, then we use the word the. Or both the and the are function like same. And they are used for specific things, plural or singular things, countable or uncountable things, both for use for these things. In most of the movies, we saw that there is in the end of the movie there is a written the end. It means that and sounds vowel sound. That's why we use here the. And if there is a big apple, big B sound is a consonant sound. That's why we use the. Here is another example. I saw a girl. In this we use a before girl, which is noun. Now here is girl, a common girl. That's why we use a. Singing. In this sentence I use the before girl, which is a specific, because I told you earlier that I saw a girl. I mentioned the girl before and I am talking about that girl. It's mean I am now talking about the specific girl that she was singing. The girl was singing. In this I use the article the before the girl, which specified the person. Also the use of the is also the and the is also clear. Now I gave you the brief difference between the use of a and the or the. There is a difference between both a and are indefinite articles. The and the are definite articles. A and are used for countable nouns. The and the are used for uncountable noun and also countable noun. A and an is used for singular noun. The and the are used for singular and plural both. Hope so it is clear. Thank you so much. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Allah Hafiz. Take care.